Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make aggressive shake transition in CapCut, the powerful effect that gives your edits a dynamic, energetic vibe. So you learn step by step on how you can add this trending shake effect to make your transition look cinematic and a fast pace, perfect for music videos, gaming edits, or AMVs. Okay, so here I've already opened CapCut on mobile and add my video. Now you can start by clicking on the second clip and then add keyframes at the beginning and end, and on the second keyframe zoom it in like this. Okay, and now go to animation, and under the in category find the turbulence animation. If there's no, you can just click on this vibrant wave animation and adjust the durations into 0.8. So hit on the check icon. Now go to the video effects and add the shake effect in here, this one, and here click on the effects object and choose all videos. Now put it in between the clip like this and add 3 keyframes on the effects. On the first one, set it all to 0. Second one, set it all into 100. And on the last one in here, make it all 0 again. Now add the second effect. So on the video effects, find neon effect, this one. Hit on a check icon and now put it at the beginning of the second clip. Click on it and choose all videos for the object, and first keyframe, add keyframes in here and make it all the way 100, and on the second one in here at the end, make it all to 0. Now add another effects in here under the neon effects, add the bad TV effect, this one, add it, click on the check icon, and now make the duration the same with the neon effect like this and add keyframes. On the first one 100 and the second one set it all into 0. Okay, now duplicate the effect 5 times. 2, so that will be it. If you have more videos, you can just repeat the same steps again. So this will be the final look. So guys, that's pretty much all. That's how you can make aggressive shake effects in CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.